The red-tailed hawk. One of the most widespread predatory birds in North America. Chances are you've seen one. But have you ever accompanied one on the hunt? Red-tailed hawks prefer to hunt from perches, scanning open fields, plains, and even buildings for potential prey. Diving from a high place to capture their quarry in their sharp talons. Once they have their prey in hand, they prefer to take it to a high place, away from competitors and other predators, where they can feast at their leisure. Once the feast is finished, they'll discard the dead weight and head off in search of their next meal.